Hey guys, welcome to a new video on my channel Exploring the World. My name is Dominik and in today's video I would like to compare three action cameras for you guys. All three cameras have a very good digital image stabilization and I'm excited to see the results of these cameras. So today we will talk about the DJI Osmo Action in comparison with the Insta360 OneX and the Insta360 Go. As some of you might know, I broke my Insta360 4 weeks ago and at the beginning I had some difficulties contacting the Insta360 Go customer service, but finally I found a really nice customer service agent at Insta360. Her name is Echo and she really helped me out, so she sent me a replacement free of charge and I'm really thankful and happy for this. Let's give it a try and see how these three cameras perform against each other. Let's make a short vlogging test on all three cameras. So I'm talking to all three cameras now without any external microphone. I'm excited what you think about the audio capability of all three cameras. In my opinion, the DJI Osmo Action has a really good audio quality and I'm excited to see how the audio quality of the Insta360 cameras will turn out. Please leave me your comments in the comment section down below and I'm interested to discuss this topic with you. Now let's continue our test.